So what is music theory? Well, music theory is the language behind music. So we can think that if music theory is a language, then we can think of the letters of that language as notes. So a note is a frequency of sound that we hear as a single tone. Most music that you will hear will use a series of 12 different notes. First, we have the white keys, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And then we also have the black keys that will either be sharp or flat depending on certain circumstances. So a flat note is a note that is going down a half step. For instance, if we have the note D and then we decide to go down half a step, that's going to be D flat. Also, if we decide to go up from D, this is going to be D sharp. So one other quick note is that a sharp or a flat doesn't necessarily have to be a black key. So for instance, if we have the note F and we want to find F flat, that is F flat. So all a flat or sharp means is that you're either going down or up half a step. So chances are now that you have more than 12 notes on your instrument or in your vocal range. And this is because the notes repeat themselves as you go higher or lower. So all of those notes are A. So the difference between these notes is what's called pitch. So if a note has a higher pitch, the frequency of sound vibrates faster, and if the notes have a lower pitch, then the frequency of sound vibrate lower.